Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Laiba Nadeem Chipa. Today, Group 1 and I will be presenting a concept of the business canvas model, that is opening up a cafe in IOBM. So let's start with the presentation. Okay, so our mission statement is driven by by a problem we noticed and observed during our first year in IOBM. There are a variety of cuisines available at IOBM, but what we haven't seen anywhere is the authentic coffee, especially at inexpensive rates. So we tried to come up with the idea that we could set up a coffee bistro at IOBM, so that people who prefer coffee and can enjoy their time at IOBM as well. So basically, our mission is to create a bonding of university students over authentic coffee flavors at inexpensive rates. Hiba, next slide, please. In order to ensure that, we created a canvas model around that structure of a coffee bistro. Our key partners would be grocery suppliers, distribution partners, payment processors, and beverages company. For example, we would be buying Nescafe and other branded coffee to support to support running of our stall. So and we would be providing brownies, small cakes, and stuff like that. So we have to outsource those cakes and all from some other suppliers in Pakistan, like Delizia, Hopknot, Pie in the Sky. Moving on, our key activities would be ensure quality. SOPs, as our customers and our target audience are very particular about that. Uh, Moreover, we are looking forward to provide a great customer service, as the target market we are catering to require that. Uh, Furthermore, our key resources would be cafe staff. Obviously, we need someone to run the bistro, as we are students ourselves, so we can't manage that. We need qualified employees, because there would be a lot of instances on where we need accountants to manage the cafe finance and all. We would need transportation, furniture, and obviously cafe location, which is in front of the IOBM library. It would be a stall in front of the IOBM library. Over to Ramiz. He would be explaining the business canvas model further.
Thank you. Thank you. My name is Ramiz Ahmed. I will be explaining the further business model canvas. At the cafe, there will be affordable prices. It will be easily accessible as it is in the center of the university. We will also give discounts and deals to the customers so that we can have a great customer audience. Other than this, we will be having feedback forms in which we will ask about our uh, our services and our facilities to the customers. We will also advertise our cafe through social media, flyers, word of mouth. Other than this, our customer segment is university students and management. Furthermore,
Then we have this cost structure in which you have the fixed cost, which we call it as fixed cost, जिसमें आते हैं the cost of factors of production, including the rent of the land. A particular area, you have to pay a particular rent for that. Then we have the cost of raw materials. For example, we are taking a coffee bistro, so there are many raw materials like milk and coffee beans, etc. stuff. You have to pay for those. Then you have the labor flyer cost. Labor cost and flyer cost. Definitely, when you are setting up a stall, you need to serve the people. You need to acquire a particular amount of labor for that. And to those labor, you need to pay the wages, whether you are earning the profit or you are having a loss. Okay? Then you have the kitchen equipment. That's basically the most basic requirement of every stall that is offering food materials. So kitchen equipment is also included in the fixed cost. You have to pay by hook or by crook, whether you're having a profit or you're having a loss. Then we have the revenue streams, like which type of services do you want to acquire. You need to go for the food selling purpose, or you need to go for the dining purpose, or you need to go for direct sales. That's it. Then we have this small dialogue play part, which indicates that whenever you set up a business, the consumers are basically unaware about that business. So this is a small dialogue part indicating that when they set this coffee bistro, the customers were unaware, the students basically. They went in the particular friend circle and discussed about it, and then they decided that they should give it a try. So they basically went to this coffee bistro, and there they asked about the stuff they were offering. So this particular man, the owner of this bistro, he offered many stuff. He made them go through the menu, and he told them that they were offering things at inexpensive rates, which I feel that for the customers is the most attractive offer you can do. Then then on the next slide, he also offered the particular packages he's offering with those. Like for example, he was offering some party poppers and snow spray with the brownies and cake stuff. They were even this cake stuff is also an offer with the coffee bistro, as people like to have substitutes with those stuff. So basically, this was the offer he gave to the students, and is quite attractive. This is a particular example showing that how you can attract your customers whenever you are setting up a new business. So they successfully did that, and it attracted the students, and they decided that they would visit the bistro more often.
Hi everyone. So I would like to sum up what makes us different and unique from others. So obviously a unique selling point is that we provide comfortable and cool sitting facility, which is not so much available in IOBM. Our cafe is at a prime location as it is in the center of the university and is easily accessible for everyone. We provide quality foods and delicious coffee with quick service so that if anyone is late, they can still able to buy it. Because during the class intervals, we do not have so much time that we can spend a lot of time in buying it and then drinking it. We offer large and unique variety of coffees and foods by providing premium quality cakes, brownies, and cupcakes. And obviously, the most unique part is that we are buying it from famous brands like Belizia, Lafrine, and Pie in the Sky. Coffee ready in 5 minutes. That is again a unique selling point. Lastly, we provide birthday packages like free party poppers or snow spray with £1 cake. That's all for today. Thank you.